Typhoon Glenda, known internationally as Rammasun, intensifies as it moves closer to the Bicol-Samar area Tuesday. As of Tuesday, 5 p.m., Philippine State Weather Bureau Pag-asa last spotted the typhoon 60 kilometers northeast of Catarman, northern Samar, or 110 kilometers east-southeast of Legazpi City in Albay. Glenda brings winds of 130 kilometers per hour near the center and gusts of up to 160 kilometers per hour. About 6,000 residents moved to evacuation centers, with authorities aiming to have another 39,000 take shelter before the typhoon hits. The government canceled most classes in Manila and Bicol on Tuesday, while dozens of domestic flights are also grounded. The Coast Guard shut down domestic shipping across Bicol, leaving more than 1,600 ferry passengers stranded. These provinces are under signal number 3: Catanduanes, Albay, Sorsogon, Camarines Sur, Camarines Norte, Masbate, Quezon, including Polillo Islands, Marinduque, Laguna, Batangas, Rizal, Northern Samar and northern parts of Samar and Eastern Samar. Provinces under signal number 2 are Cavite, Southern Aurora, Bulacan, Pampanga, Bataan, Nueva Ecija, Pangasinan, Tarlac, Zambales, Lubang Island, Oriental Mindoro, Metro Manila, Romblon, Biliran, the rest of Samar and Eastern Samar, and the northern part of Leyte Province. Provinces such as Northern Aurora, Occidental Mindoro, Quirino, Nueva Vizcaya, Benguet, La Union, the rest of Leyte Province, the Camotes Islands, and northern Cebu, which includes Cebu City, are under signal number 1. Disaster Prevention Agency Project NOAA says 10 municipalities in Camarines Sur, Bataan, Pampanga, and Quezon are likely to experience the highest storm surge, which may go as high as 3 meters or almost 10 feet. Metro Manila cities Navotas, Manila, Parañaque, and Las Piñas may experience surges of up to 1.5 to 2 meters or 5 to 6.6 feet. Project NOAA says the storm surge will happen when the center of the typhoon is near. But National Disaster Risk Reduction Management Council Chair Alexander Pama urges the public not to fixate on the possible storm surge. He says this could result in people forgetting hazards caused by flooding and winds. Pama adds he is confident local government units would be able to use data from science agencies. Glenda is expected to leave the Philippine area of responsibility Thursday evening, July 16th, or Friday morning, July 17th. Weather Philippines notes Glenda has a similar track and strength as Typhoon Vera or Bebeng, which hit the Philippines July 1983. Its international code name, Rammasun, is Thai for God of Thunder.